Normandy sewing pattern is provided to you in a zipped file. A zipped file is a way of compressing a file so that ordinarily large files like PDF sewing patterns are compressed so it's easier and faster to download. If you need an application for your Windows machine that allows you to unzip the file, you can download WinZip for free at winzip.com. Now, WinZip allows you to unlock or open up a zipped pattern so that it shows up in your downloads as a folder. This is the way the file will come in, as a zipped file, and if you double click on it and your computer doesn't have a handler application to open it up and save it as a folder where you can see all the files, you can download this WinZip for free at winzip.com. Once you download it and install it on your computer will know that it can use that application to unpack the file and save it in a folder, just like we see here. Now, the Mac already has this built into it, and most Windows machines do as well. So odds are when you save your file or unpack it, it will already come in a folder just like this so that you can see all the associated files that you need inside of it. But if it doesn't, you can use a handler application like WinZip to go ahead and if you're using a device such as an iPad or some other tablet, you can go ahead and use the built-in unzip, or you can download the WinZip application for your tablet. It also works well if you want to be able to keep other files compressed, such as after you've opened up the pattern and printed it off, and you want to compress it to save space on your device.